Hello everybody, this is Nora with Anarchy57 and today I have a Shemodern review and demo of her newest products. As you can see here, I have a variety of her newest products. I have some of the watercolors in jellies. These are all we know Shemodern for her powder products, but these that I have here, they're all liquids. And they come in a range of colors of a rainbow, as you can see, from the darkest to the brightest. And I'm going to go ahead, there's even a clear one. But so this is the Jelly Water Paint Collection, as you can see here on the label. And yes, these are liquids. These are not, see if you can tell, these are not powders, okay? These are all liquids. And I couldn't wait to get a hold of these because I'm very interested in trying these out on making some jelly nails. Also here I have, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pick a few of these colors, probably the brightest ones, to do a design with. And I'm also showing you, okay, see, she also came up with these glues. This is her, so they're water-based glues. There's a medium tacky glue and a light tack. Okay, so what is the difference and when you will use one versus the other? The light tack is recommended to use with her light powder, so you have a tacky layer on your nail and then you lay down the powder to create your design. The medium one is recommended more for heavier material. I would say more for like glitters, okay? You can use that for getting your glitters to stick to your nails. But yeah, two different types of liquid water-based glue in white. And I will use that on my design today. I'm not sure, I think I'm going to use the medium. And also on her website you can find a variety of glitters, and I want to show you, this is how she packages these glitters. Hopefully you can zoom in here. These are nicely sealed here, so you don't have to worry about them coming open and losing any of the glitter. I'm going to show you how there is a perforation here on the plastic, but you might not be able to see it. I just use my scissors, break apart that seal, and then you can open this top, okay? So this one, I'll tell you the name of this one, but you can see the variety here. There are some moons, there are some circles, stars, and hearts in this one, and gold and silver and red. So this one is called the Heart Moon Star Decorative Glitter in Holographic. Hopefully you can see that right there. Gorgeous variety right there for beautiful nail art designs. And I also have open, let me show you, this one is the Holo Jumbo Silver. I've already opened it. There you go. And we also have, this one is the Jumbo Silvery Green. This one is the, oh, these are hexagons. It's already open. This one's the green hexagon. You can see, beautiful. We also have the, let me go ahead and open this one. This is the Tinsel Glitter in blue. Tinsel blue and holographic. There it is, beautiful. And last but not least, this is the one that I plan to use for my design today. This one is the Holo Mix Opal. There it is. Hopefully that's coming out on camera. That's holographic. Well, it's the opal, opalescent, white, semi-transparent glitters. And I am going to use, let's see what else I'm going to go ahead and use. She went ahead and sent me her brushes. A nice brush here. This is, I'm going to use this one for the application of the glue, and a nice small detail brush. Okay, this one I have not even used it, so it was pretty stiff. I just took this cap off, and I'm going to do the samples on these nail tips right here. I'm going to create a design just demonstrating a couple of the colors, probably a couple of the brightest colors, the glue and the glitter. So I hope you guys enjoy. guys, here's a little extra that I wanted to test out for you. I was curious to see if the medium glue will be good enough for foil application, and yes, it did. Here's my test on this tip here. I didn't put any color on it. I just applied the glue, let it dry, and then I used this piece of silver foil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. This was with the medium. This one right here, I have the light glue, and I'm gonna test that one and see with this piece of gold foil and see how well it works. And let's give it a try. Now, what I did, I didn't do the I didn't attempt to do the full application. As you can see here, I'm wrapping it on the nail. There it goes. Oh, that is so good. Now you do see the brush strokes, which I think it contributes towards the design because I went at a diagonal, and this is pretty cool. I mean, that would even gives a chance to, like, you apply a different foil, different color of a foil. Let me do the other side. And it doesn't matter which way you apply the foil because it's just gonna take the direction of your brush strokes, right? So let's see here. Oh, that works so good. Let me fill in the gaps here. I was just doing a test. So I just cut a little piece of the foil that I had. And I have a corner here that I'm missing because where I was holding it with my thumb. But yeah, okay, so right now I have a little bit more here that I think I can cover what I'm missing. But there you go, that did really well. Just make sure you're very thorough with your glue application for a more solid look of the foil. That's pretty cool, guys. Take a look. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I have a black nail curing that I want to use a gold design and just do something cool with it. So yeah, I'm glad these worked for foil as well. A gold application over the black nail without any top coat, guys. And I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video because I didn't have it with the items, but she also came up with this foil shield sealer. It's a water-based top coat, okay, that you can apply over your foils or the Shemodern foil water decals without any wrinkling. And so all of this, now as I'm talking, I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm just going to squirt it right on the nail rather than using, you can do that, you don't have to use a palette. Everything that I'm using here, guys, this is meant to go over, I mean, it's very safe to use over regular polish, okay? So she came up with this water-based top coat for foils, so you do not have to use a gel top coat. Obviously, if you want to use a gel top coat, that will be totally fine. And here you can see no wrinkling or crinkling of my foil. That is super cool. Very nice look there. And again, I can still see the brush strokes from my initial glue application. Look how that gold just comes out there like that. I think it makes a nice crackly look because of my application of the foil. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this aside to dry. Now these two nails have had plenty of time to let that jelly dry. My application was quite thick, so these took a good 15-20 minutes to dry, and they're well nicely dried now. And I'm going to choose to top coat them with some gel top coat. Okay guys, so here are the finished designs that I ended up with on these nail tips. Aren't they beautiful? Those products are a lot of fun to play with. And I'm going to have the links down in the description bar below. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to make your comments or put your questions down below in your comments and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Shemodern for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.